Bluey bounced into the kitchen, tail wagging, eyes wide, shouting, "Bingo! Look what I found!" Bingo rushed over. "What is it, Bluey?" Bluey held a shiny egg, wiggling slightly in her paws. Could a simple egg hold a huge adventure? Bandit peeked in, scratching his chin. "Careful, mate, it might be fragile." Bluey nodded fierce, eyes sparkling. "Don't worry, I'll take care of it." Muffin and Socks ran over, curious. "Is it a magic egg?" Bingo whispered, excited. Could imagination turn an egg into a treasure? Chilli smiled, gentle. "Let's make a safe nest for it." Bluey and Bingo gathered blankets, forming a cozy spot on the table. The egg wobbled, making tiny rolling sounds. Bluey giggled. "It's alive, I swear." Bingo leaned close, ears perked. "Maybe it will hatch." Could a little mystery make hearts race? Suddenly, the egg shook violently. Bluey gasped. "It's happening." Muffin squealed, jumping back, Socks barking like crazy. Bandit held his hands. "Stay calm." Bluey hugged the egg tight, eyes shining. Could they really witness a miracle? Crack! A tiny beak popped out. Bluey cheered loud. "It's a chick. A baby chick." Bingo clapped, jumping. "So cute." Muffin and Socks leaned in, tails wagging, faces full of awe. Chilli laughed soft. "Looks like you have a new friend, Bluey." Could one small egg bring this much joy? The chick chirped, stepping wobbling into the nest, tiny wings flapping. Bluey stroked gently, whispering, "We'll take care of you, little one." Bingo nodded. Together. Bandit and Chilli smiled, watching the pure happiness glow. Could friendship and care make a tiny life magical? Bluey turned to the camera, holding the chick careful, tail wagging, eyes sparkling. If you loved our egg adventure, hit like, tap subscribe, and join me for more fun, surprises, and magical moments. The chick peeped again, Bluey giggling, Bingo hugging her, Muffin and Socks watching close. The kitchen was alive with laughter, love, and tiny miracles. Could one egg make a day unforgettable?